Want to add a watermark to your Microsoft Word document? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to add a text or picture watermark in just a few simple steps. So, let's get started. First, click the Start menu, open the Microsoft Word. Next, open the document where you want to add a watermark. Once the document open, click on the Design tab at the top of the screen. Now, click on Watermark in the Page Background section. Here, you'll see several built-in watermark options, such as Confidential, Draft, or Do Not Copy. Simply click on any watermark to apply it to your document instantly. If you want to create a custom watermark, click Custom Watermark at the bottom of the menu. From here, you can choose Text Watermark or Picture Watermark. For a text watermark, enter the text you want. Then customize the font, size, color, and layout. Finally, click Apply or OK to add the watermark to your document. And that's it! You've successfully added a watermark to your Microsoft Word document. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical Microsoft Word tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.